Acts 3 and 19. Acts 3 and 19. Acts 3 and 19. Repent ye therefore and be converted. Be changed. Repent. Confess. Let it go. Be transformed by the renewal of your mind. Okay. That your sins, your transgressions, your iniquity, your shortcomings, your issues, your hang-ups may be blotted out. May be blotted out. May be blotted out. Not remember no more. You don't have to talk about it no more. You don't have to go to the struggle no more. You don't have to worry about the issue no more. It's over with. It's done. Come on. That it may be blotted out, and when the times of refreshing it, the coolness of the day, fresh fire, fresh wind, refreshing it, some joy, some peace. I wish I had some help right there. Some new strength. Some courage. I wish I had some time of refreshing. I got some more power. Is that all right? Shall come from the presence of the Lord. But ye shall receive power. I talked about last week in our sister church that a lot of times we have the authority, we have the intellect, we have all the things we need in life to do certain things, but we can't go any further without power.